In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Outlook to n8n. So firstly, open up n8n and log into your n8n account. Okay, so once you've logged into your n8n account here, so we're going to do, click on this create workflow option here, which is in the top right there, click on it. And once you've clicked on it here, so now what we're going to do, this will open out a new blank space here. Click on this add first step, click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, and then here in the search bar, search for Outlook and then select Microsoft Outlook from the search results here. So here under the actions here, so I'll just choose what action that you want to set it up. So for example, like let's say create a calendar or something. So just choose anything, so that you want to do. Okay, create an event or calendar, something like that. So I'll just choose one. So okay, so just choose one, and then once you've chosen an action, so now we go to link the Outlook account with n8n. So to do that, click on select credential, click create new credentials, and then what we're going to do here, click on this connect my account option here, and then you'll see that this will now ask you to log into your Microsoft account and then authorize the account to be connected. So you just have to give the permissions, just log in. If it's asking you for logging in, just log in and then authorize it and accept the connection. And once you've set that up, and then next you're going to choose your resource. So in this case, we selected context, so I'll just leave that. The operation, you can just choose whatever you want to do with it. You can choose that and provide the name and all these other additional fields here, all these details. You can just set it up, and once you have set up everything, all you have to do is click on execute step. Okay, once you do that, if you click back to canvas here, you can see that the connection has been set up. You can simply test it by clicking on execute workflow, and that's basically pretty much it is.